Hello, everyone. I'm really happy to be here with you for today's English learning session. Today, we're going to study an article related to mental health issues in the UK. Through this article, we'll explore how people are using AI chatbots for emotional support, as well as the pros and cons of this approach. Shall we get started? As UK mental health waiting lists soar, many people are turning to AI chatbots for emotional support. Soar means to rise quickly or to increase a lot. So, it means waiting lists for mental health care are getting very long. Turning to means starting to use. In this case, people are starting to use AI chatbots, robots that chat to help with their emotions. Users say these bots help them get through tough days, offering 24/7 encouragement and coping strategies. Get through tough days means to manage or survive difficult days. 24/7 means all the time, so the chatbots are available anytime. Encouragement means giving support or positive words. Coping strategies are ways to deal with problems or stress. However, experts believe that AI tools can't take the place of genuine therapy due to built-in biases, lack of empathy, and privacy risks. Take the place of means replace or do the same job as. Genuine means real or authentic. Biases are unfair opinions that are built into a system. Empathy means the ability to understand and share the feelings of others. Privacy risks refer to the dangers that someone's personal information could be exposed. Studies show AI therapy can reduce anxiety and depression symptoms. Yet professionals stress it should only serve as a stopgap solution while people wait for proper care. Anxiety is feeling nervous or worried. Depression is feeling very sad for a long time. Stress means to strongly emphasize something. Stopgap solution means something temporary, a quick fix until a better solution is found. Proper care means the right or real treatment from professionals. Despite their accessibility, chatbots will continue to take a backseat to trained therapists who can read emotions, offer nuanced understanding, and ensure patient safety for now. Accessibility means how easy something is to get or use. Take a backseat means to become less important or to be in the background. Trained therapists are professionals who have special training to help people with mental health problems. Nuanced understanding means a deep, detailed understanding that can understand the small differences in emotions. Ensure patient safety means to make sure the person is safe and protected while they are being treated. Alright, that wraps up our lesson for today. Through this article, we've learned how AI chatbots can help with emotional support, but also why real therapists are still important. Studying topics like this in English helps us learn more expressions and vocabulary, which is great. You all did an amazing job. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time. Right now, many people in the UK are waiting a long time to get mental health help. Because of this, more and more people are using AI chatbots for emotional support. These chatbots are available 24/7 and can offer encouragement and helpful ideas to deal with difficult times. Many users say these bots help them get through their tough days. However, experts say that AI chatbots can't replace real therapy. They have problems like bias, not being able to truly understand people's feelings, and potential privacy issues. Even though AI therapy can help with things like anxiety and depression, experts believe it should only be a temporary solution. It should not replace the care of a real therapist. For now, chatbots may be easy to use, but they can't do everything that trained therapists can. Real therapists can understand emotions better, offer deeper advice, and make sure patients are safe.
Saturday, January 3rd. Can AI chatbots replace mental health professionals? As UK mental health waiting lists soar, many people are turning to AI chatbots for emotional support. Users say these bots help them get through tough days, offering 24/7 encouragement and coping strategies. However, experts believe that AI tools can't take the place of genuine therapy due to built-in biases, lack of empathy, and privacy risks. Studies show AI therapy can reduce anxiety and depression symptoms, yet professionals stress it should only serve as a stopgap solution while people wait for proper care. Despite their accessibility, chatbots will continue to take a backseat to trained therapists who can read emotions, offer nuanced understanding, and ensure patient safety for now.